Another way to make some flowers for Mother's Day is to use a magazine. And what you're going to do is find a page that has some nice colors, or in this case, some more flowers. You're going to carefully rip it out. And with the color you want showing the most facing up, you're going to fold this in half like this. Fold it right in half the hot dog way. Next, you're going to take one layer and you're going to fold it back on itself to match up with the edge. Flip it over and do the same on the other side. So what you're going to have is two folded edges on this side and a folded edge in the middle and two raw edges on the other side. What you're going to want to do is you want to be facing and looking at the two folded edges. You're going to take your scissors, you're going to cut little strips all the way across. Now you don't want to cut through, so you see I'm going to leave a little bit of space. You're going to go all the way down. You're going to try to keep them the same length and the same thickness. Next, you need something to become a stem. So you can use a barbecue skewer, you can use a pencil, whatever you have at home, it's up to you. I'm going to take a little piece of tape. You're going to tape the edge of it to your stick. You can even go outside and grab some sticks from nature. And next what you're going to do is you're going to start rolling this around your skewer and trying to keep it pretty flat. Once you've gone all the way around, you're going to secure it with some more tape. So you have a magazine flower.